Well, hello and welcome back to the radio room. We're looking at the RCI 2995DX again. Following up from the last video, let me go ahead and kind of show you what I've done. If you notice, I've got the 2SC 1969 put in place of that 2SC 2312 that we found was bad in the last video. And I also do have the surface mount transistor right down in here. That's not got really the greatest light. Let me just get a flashlight or something, and y'all can probably see that a little bit better as soon as I can find one. Hopefully this isn't going to be too bright, but right down there. That's way too bright to even see anything. Right down in there, you can see that got the new, well, it's not new, it's out of that donor radio. We got those installed. They're down, taken out of the other radio and put into this one, so it's really down to seeing if this is going to fix the problem. If you remember from the last video, we could mute the receive, but we didn't have any transmit, which we figured was because of the PTT, or the transmit switching transistor right here. And then once I did test that just by jumping between the collector and emitter, the radio would go into transmit, but there was nothing coming out. So at that time, we found that the driver transistor was bad, and hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. We'll turn it on and try it out here in just a moment to see if it's going to be working okay. So let's give it a shot. Turn the radio on. Seems good. We're in AM right now. Got the RF power turned all the way up. I think we should be good. So let's see if this light's going to come on here, because before, just by clicking the microphone, we did not get the on-air lights. So let's try that. We'll also watch this meter here, and we can watch this meter as well right here, and see if that's going to swing up. Before, we had no power output, so let's see what's going to happen here. This is in AM, so it should have a carrier. Oh yeah. Needle's swinging all the way over. And with RF power all the way up, that's about 150 watts according to the meter, which apparently this is supposed to be, from what I understand, a 150 watt radio, so I think we're good shape there. Let's go to sideband and make sure we actually have output power on sideband. This is upper sideband. I got the microphone gain. Let's go with about halfway. Let's just start it from right there. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, it's working. Got good needle swing here, and about 150 on the peaks right here. So I think we're good. And try the other mode. Let's lower sideband. Balance might be off just a little bit on lower sideband. Good output on CW. Yeah, I think we're working. I need to tweak just a little bit on the balance, carrier balance or carrier suppression. For lower sideband, I'll have to take a look at that. But I think we're back to working pretty good. And it doesn't even really feel warm on those driver transistors. So I think we're in good shape. I'm going to call this one a win. Might take a little bit of a look at the carrier suppression on lower sideband, see if there's something up with that. But I think we're in good shape. So thanks for stopping back by. We got a radio that's operational again, and it transmits. It goes into transmit and puts out full RF power that it's supposed to. So I think this radio is good to go. Just might do a little couple tweaks on it before it goes out the door, but I think we're good. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later.